Hello everyone, hello Ma'am Sulastri, thanks for this assessment. My name is Mimi and now I will present about the implementation of fishbowl strategy in teaching English speaking. For the first, we are going to introduction. English is an important means of communication used by many countries in this world. It plays an important role as an international language. As an international language, this is why the Indonesian government chose English as the first foreign language to be taught in school. Next is, there are 4 skills in English. For the first is listening, second speaking, third reading, and fourth is writing. Next is fishbowl strategy. Fishbowl strategy is a strategy in a teaching that helps students to practice being contribute and listener in a discussion. In a fishbowl strategy, there are the method research design. For the first is instrument, observation sheet, file note, documentation, and recording. For the first is observation sheet. Observation sheet is it was used to observe and record the student activities during the teaching and learning process. And next is file note. File note is an instrument which was used to note some important aspect of research implementation in the classroom. And next is documentation. Documentation is in the school, such we can make administration book and a theory expert opinion related to the research problem. And next is recording. Recording will use by the we can use recording to record the teaching and learning activity in the classroom with all information with the related problem. And next we are going to fishbowl strategy in teaching speaking. Before we use the fishbowl strategy in teaching speaking, for the first we must identify focus for class discussion. So in this class must have one focus for discussion. And next is tell students to take note on their student. Next is demonstrate the format and expectation of fishbowl discussion. Started by telling discussion, sitting in a cluster to talk among themselves about the idea, opinion when conversing with partners. So when the student listener their friend, so they can take note and they can take opinion and idea in this discussion, and then tell other students to listen carefully and take note. And the last is gather small group of volunteer discussion. So the conclusion for the fishbowl strategy is this strategy to make easier the student understand the material. In other hand, the student where more interact actively is effect of more opportunity from them to explore their mind and improve student speaking ability. So if we use this strategy, we can help the student to explore their mind and improve, and we can help the student to improve their speaking ability. So I think this strategy is good to help the student make their listening ability, and with this strategy, the student will be easier to understand the material. In other hand, the student will more interact actively is effect of more opportunity from them to explore their mind and improve student speaking ability. Thanks for attention. I think that's all of my presentation. Thanks for attention.